Okay, y'all, we back with another video. Another video. All right, y'all, back. We are back. Oh, forget it. I just keep messing stuff up. Hey, y'all, this Mama T again with Monica. We decided to kill two birds with the same shirt. Okay. Anywho, we are doing the lime challenge, you guys, with the salt.
This is sea salt.
It's salt.
Oh, that's nice. You still got movie playing.
Oh, I'm about to say, what about the movie? Yeah, y'all, we gonna do this challenge. So we just, did the 500 subscriber thingy, and then we said let's do this thingy, but they're gonna air at different times. Yes, y'all. What y'all know about that, y'all? Did I ever tell you I was a
Did I ever tell you that I used to sing back in the day
when I was like DJ?
When I was like 12.
A DJ and a rapper.
Did I ever tell you guys that I was a DJ and a rapper when I was like 12? And I used to hit up the clubs and I used to go ficky.
I don't talk like that. I can't stand her, y'all.
Did I ever tell you guys?
Wait, is this supposed to be timed? Do we have a certain amount of time to do it?
Yes. Wait, I think a minute.
A minute?
You ain't do your homework? A second.
A second?
Girl, look that thing up.
A minute. You said a second. It's
a minute. You have 1 minute to finish one line.
Timer. So 1 minute?
You can't drink.
You sure it's 1 minute?
Are you cheating?
That's not cheating. How is it cheating?
Oh, I thought you had to do it at the same time as the timer.
No, you just have to eat it with the salt.
Ew.
I'm like, how's it cheating?
Oh, because I thought you had to do it at the same time.
No, you can have it like that.
Oh. Listen to my Nathan too, then I thought you had to do it. I think you have to do it with the whole thing on. I think.
Who said that?
Kenzie's up.
What's wrong, baby girl? You still sleepy?
Get out that basket.
Okay.
Bring us in the laundry basket, y'all. Alright, we're making this video long. Oh, because Kenzie woke up. Oh, look how bad did that. Oh, this is gonna be a tough one.
Oh, now my hands go first.
Yes, that's what I said.
You wanna go with Sissy? No.
Alright, yeah. We gonna get this in, y'all, so we can go finish watching a movie. You set your time already? Oh, that's the song. Like, what's that pretty stuff? It's the salt. Alright, so we can't make no faces. I think we can't, yeah. None of that stuff. I don't think we could drink. I guess we didn't. Like I said, we
It's
ain't
1 minute? I feel like it's
there.
5 minutes or something.
Heck no, 5 minutes and you eat 5 lemons. It's a minute.
Okay.
For 1 lemon.
1 minute, one limit. Wait, baby. Wait 1 minute. Look. Say hi.
She just woke up, y'all.
This is actually our 3rd video today.
Yeah. They don't have to know that. All right, come on.
Wait.
I did. Oh, I put that on mine already.
I ain't put it on mine. Can't make no faces.
No faces.
Okay.
You
Guys,
guys are
the
crazy.
timer for 1 minute. Excuse my screen. I have 2 kids that be on my phone.
Yeah.
Do that.
Ready?
2,
You shaking the thing.
3,
Ready?
2, 1.
one.
Go.
Mmm.
Oh my god. She feeling it now, y'all.
I don't know if that was anything. I don't know if I lost. Skin.
It's just getting the skin down. Then there it go.
I was supposed to make a face. I twitched.
I low key swallowed that somehow whole just to beat the
No.
It had like 2 seconds left.
I have both of them in my mouth trying to swallow at the same time. That's why I couldn't go down. It was like
I
stuck
swallowed
together.
one before I swallowed. Before I put the other one in my mouth. It actually wasn't that bad though.
It's not. It's good.
I could have did a couple of them.
Why you rub my back? We should have did it. You don't know what to do nothing
Yeah,
else.
actually wasn't that bad.
I am not endangering my taste.
It's not bad at all.
What about a lemon?
Oh no. Nope.
What?
No.
Is there a difference between the
I don't
lemon
know.
and the lime?
I eat lemons, period, like that, so that wouldn't really be a
No,
challenge.
don't eat that, Kings. The
This
skin
is
is.
just the skin, baby.
I tried to wash it, but it still
If you
feels
want one, mommy, I got
disgusting.
one for you.
That's one right there.
But yeah, actually wasn't that bad.
Nah, wasn't that bad.
She can't have it the salt. I'm not putting the salt on her.
So let us know how we
Here,
did,
you cut it, cause her hand is right here.
because. Let me get a napkin.
Let them know who twitched.
Yeah, I did like this trying to get it down. I think I closed my eye.
She twitched.
Oh well,
Right.
it was fun.
You want one? You want lime? Yeah.
I might want to eat that. Oh, see, this skin feels disgusting. I washed it. I should have put soap on it.
Why you don't?
Usually I do. I do that with the lemons. I wash it with soap.
Let me see this one for her.
Oh, see, sticky. Yeah, I don't like that. I should have did it.
I'm seeing Kenzie could do it.
Eat it, cans. Eat it. Eat it, cans.
Kenzie said, "I just watched y'all." You think I want that?
Excuse me.
You want it? I just sat in the salt, so you got a little bit of salt. Let's see if Kenzie eat it.
Let's see if taste it, cans.
Eat it.
Taste it.
Oh. All right. Kenzie finna make a mess.
Take a bite. She gonna make her mama eat some more.
You eat it. You eat it. Taste it. Ah. She eat lemons and stuff, so ain't gonna be too much. Come on, girl.
Well, y'all, I guess we're gonna end this 15.
Yeah, we're gonna end this video. We did it. 1 lime, 1 minute.
We did it.
Can you do it? Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with anyone and everyone, so you know what Mama T and family got going on.
I keep looking over here when I'm supposed to look over here.
Nah, all right, I'm gonna stop.
Okay.
But I got it all on my hands. Like I said, like, comment, subscribe, share this video with anyone and everyone, and
Subscribe. Hit the notification bell.
I said that.
Oh, I need pick. Oh.
What the heck?
Ping.
Okay. She's doing too much.
I didn't make sense.
All right.
It's my own.
See ya later.
Sorry.
See ya later.
Gotta take that out.